Our itineraries are flexible. We always do have a plan, but nature and the destination is really in control. If we do see a pod of orca whales, we will stop and observe them. So we have that flexibility to really get the most of the destination, and everybody can really get the most out of every day. Every day starts with a fantastic breakfast, then our activities. So a typical day may involve doing a nature landing in the morning, where you'll be taken from the ship on our Zodiacs to a nature landing, be guided ashore, come back to the ship for lunch in the afternoon, maybe do a Zodiac cruise or kayaking. All the while on board there will be activities, there will be lectures, discovery sessions in the science centre. Our evenings on the ship are super relaxed, whether that be in the restaurant or in the Explorer Lounge. People are sharing stories of what they've seen. We're talking about what we're going to do tomorrow in our plans. So it's that buzz and excitement.